All right, guys, so you got some scratches on your car and you don't want to pay all that money for somebody else to do it. They have products out there that can remove scratches. Matter of fact, I have one right here. I'm going to try it out. No, this is not a sponsored video. Just trying out this product to see if it can take out these scratches that we have on this car right here. You got one big long scratch right here. Doesn't seem that deep though, which is good, right? And then we have these light scratches right here. And we got these right here. These are a little bit more rough and jagged. All right, a little bit deeper than this one. So we're gonna try this product out and see what happens. So the first thing we need to do is clean the area first. We gotta wash it, clean, and then dry it. So let's do that. Then after you wash it, you wanna rinse it off. All right, so we got our area nice and clean. So now we're just gonna take out our scratch remover pad and take it out the pack. All right, so this is the pad here. It is wet, it is moist to the touch. And you can see some of that residue on my finger right there from it. It's supposed to be engineered with metal powder and some polishing agents. So we're gonna take our pad and wipe our scratches in a circular motion until the scratch fades. And it says to apply more pressure when you're wiping those stubborn marks that don't wanna come out. So we're gonna start with this light scratch right here. So after you wipe, you're gonna rinse it off with some water. Then after you rinse it off, you wanna use a soft cloth to wipe it dry. Now this cloth comes with the package. Didn't wanna use the rough cloths that I used to dry it when I first washed it. You wanna use a soft cloth. So let's wipe it off and see what happens. There is some improvement, but the scratches are not totally gone. So let's apply more pressure. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Doesn't make that much of a difference in my opinion, but let's move on. We're gonna tackle these deeper scratches, but based on the lighter scratches and how it performed, I don't know if it's gonna do that much for these. Maybe it filled in a couple of spots, but other than that, definitely didn't affect this big one right here and these right here. All right, let's move on to this one and that one down there. All right, guys, it's not looking too good for this product. I'm gonna hit the last one at the bottom right here. This guy right here. All right, so I don't see a marked improvement on any of the scratches by using that. All right, guys, so we got one more product here we want to check out, okay? It's a spray that's supposed to remove scratches. So we're just going to apply it to the scratches. Then we're going to spread it around with this sponge that they give you. And then we're going to wipe it off with the dry cloth. All right, guys, scratches are still visible. At least it was worth a try, though.